Come on, Em. She looks fierce. Yeah. Killing it. She's doing great already. Yeah, Em!
Come on, Em.
She's doing a great job. Come on, Em!
Come on, Em.
Yeah! I still don't know if you're allowed to touch the white line or not.
I don't think you are.
I think in Elite you are, but I guess that's understandable.
Come on, Em. Good! Woo! Why couldn't she do that when we were playing those games?
Did she do it good in the games or bad?
God.
Yes. Work it!
Come on, Em.
Nice. Nice. Extra nice. Woohoo! Come on, Em!
Come on,
Come on, Em! Wow. That was incredible. You're my hero! You're my hero!